Okay, hello everyone. Today we are starting with the new derivation, that is potential on the equatorial line of axis. It is chapter number 3, electric potential and energy. So let us start with the derivations. For the derivation, what we have to do, we have to take a dipole. Suppose this is a dipole and of length 2L. So say plus q charge is kept here, minus q charge is kept here. Suppose let us take a point P here at a distance r from the center of the dipole. So this length will be L, this length will be L, and this forms an equatorial triangle. Say this is point A, this is point B, and this is point P. So it is an equatorial triangle, means if suppose this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta, and AP equals to BP. AP equals to BP. Now let us calculate the potential. Now first of all, potential, say V1 due to charge plus q, so it will be given by V1 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon, say we are due to plus charge, so q upon AP. And similarly we can say V2 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon BP, and it is because of minus q charge, so minus should be taken here. The total, now the total potential, that is V equals to V1 plus V2, and V1 plus V2 means it will be 1 upon 4 pi, the value of V1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon AP minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon BP. So this get common, so we can take it common. So now let us take it common. So V equals to q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is common, and we get 1 upon AP minus 1 upon BP. So the AP equals to BP. Since AP equals to BP, so this value becomes 0. When this value is get multiplied with this, so V will be equals to 0. So we can say that the potential on equatorial line of dipole is 0. Now coming to the next derivation. Now let us calculate potential at any point. So now this time potential can be taken at any point. For this, what we have done, say first of all let us take a dipole. Suppose this is the dipole. Here say let us put a charge minus q, here put a charge plus q, and say this point is A, this point is B, and say this is center O, and length is L, and suppose let us take a point here P, which is at a distance r from the center. Now join AP and join BP. We have joined them. Now from point B, drop the perpendicular. Similarly from point A, draw the perpendicular. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now suppose this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. If this point is, suppose this point is, name it, this point is C, and this point is O, and this point suppose it is D. So we can say that CO equals to L cos theta. Similarly DO equals to L cos theta. So we have calculated this. Now BP is equals to PC, and AP equals to PD. So we can say that BP equals to PC, and PC will equals to PO minus PC, and PO is how much? PO is R, the distance of P from the center, and PC is equals to L cos theta. Similarly, we can calculate the value of PD. PD means PD equals to PA, and PD is given by PO plus DO, and PO is how much? PO is R plus L cos theta. So now let us calculate the potential. So let us calculate the potential V1 due to the charge plus Q or due to the charge minus Q. So it will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon, it is due to the charge minus Q, so charge should be taken as minus here. It will be R plus L cos theta. Similarly, V2 due to the charge plus Q, so it will be 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R plus L cos theta. Now total V equals to V1 plus V2. So the value of V1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R minus L cos theta, and minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R plus L cos theta. So we can take Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 common. We have taken it common, so we are left with 1 upon R minus L cos theta minus 1 upon R plus L cos theta. So Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0, your LCM will be R square minus L square, cos theta is the LCM, and we get here R plus L cos theta minus R plus L cos theta. This R get cancelled. We get Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2L cos theta upon R square minus L square cos theta. So we are left with this. Now this V equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2L cos theta. This is the final result which we have achieved, R square minus L square cos theta. So this 2QL become P, so it become P cos theta 4 pi epsilon 0. This value is very small, so we can neglect this value upon R square. So this is the potential due to potential at any point due to the electric dipole. So this all for today. Now copy it in your field notebook, make the notes. Thank you very much.